Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today's video is on how to download and install the Peloton app on your mobile phone, which is an app based on fitness workouts. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now, open your App Store or Play Store and search for Peloton. You can see the app here, Peloton, Preview. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time depending on the internet speed. Once downloaded, open it and enjoy its features. Now, the application is ready to use. You can use it by clicking on Sign In and enjoy its features for your workout journey. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.